Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can mark as spam in Yahoo Mail. So to do this, all you need to do is simply open your Yahoo Mail app first of all from your device which you prefer. So once you open your Yahoo Mail app, all you need to do is simply select a message that you want to in spam. So simply tap it and tap on the spam option. You can find it right below the delete option. So simply go in the spam section and you can find that those messages has now been in the spam box. Now to delete it, you need to simply tap on it and tap on not spam. You can see that those messages will now arrive in your inbox as it was previously. So this is how you mark as spam in Yahoo Mail. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.